Hi there and welcome to part 2 of my exploration of my friend's old projector. I've had a go at fixing it, made lots of mistakes along the way, so I thought I'd talk you through where I've got up to, but I think, fingers crossed, I've kind of got it working so I can finally show you some film that came with it. Like I say, I've made every mistake imaginable, so I'll talk through what I did wrong and hopefully what I'm going to do right in a bit. So let's have a look at where I'm up to with putting it all together. So when I last left you, I was struggling to get it to work because I only had the one reel. Since then I've been onto eBay and got myself another reel to take it up, another spool, sorry, not reel. And as you can see, I've made a terrible mistake. My first terrible mistake, I bought one that was about a quarter of the size. So even if I get this working in a bit, I'll only be able to play you a few minutes probably of the film. So and in the future I need to get myself a proper full-sized one so that they match up. The second thing I did wrong, which you can notice here, is that I had them on the wrong way round. So it actually takes up the other way. So yeah, it takes from the right to the left, not the left to the right. And the third mistake I made was that I threaded the film onto the wrong way round as well. So it's got little teeth on the, let me just zoom in there. It's got little teeth on those grey wheels there that line up with the holes in the film, and I had them the wrong way round and was wondering why it wasn't taking. But now, all those problems aside, it seems to be partially working. The only thing that I can't get working is the small reel doesn't want to take up automatically, so you have to do it manually. So with all that in mind, I'm going to try to show you now a little bit of the film, and I've watched a tiny bit of this and it really did bring a tear to the eye. Just magical, sort of going back in time really, and watching this film. So I hope you enjoy watching part of it too. So here we go. With all that said, let's get on to the film itself. Hope you enjoy this. And then, unfortunately, that was all she wrote. The electricity overloaded at this point and the projector stopped working, and I haven't been able to get it to work since, so I'll have to put a pause on that for now, but I'm glad that I managed to get some footage of the film. The next thing for me to do, I think, I'm going to try and get that film converted onto DVD or file or something so I can share that with you. And I'm hopefully going to try and get the camera working next as well. So still plenty more to come in part 3 of this very random project that I've taken on. But if you liked this video and you'd like to see more, then don't forget you can like and subscribe below. That's what people do, isn't it? And I'll hopefully have part 3 for you in the near future. Thanks for watching.